All right, I now have the Android Studio up and running. I'm at the main editor interface. Now you might notice that there's a little error down here that says messages Gradle sync, and you might see this error message that says failed to build tools revision 2703. You might have a different version printed out there. If you do, that's totally fine. Now we do want to go ahead and install these build tools. So I'm going to click on install build tools right there. This is going to pop up some additional messaging. So I'm going to accept this agreement. I'll hit next. And once again, we're going to wait for some stuff to download and install. So as you might guess, whoa, this one went way faster than I expected. So that's actually pretty good. So let's just keep going. That's definitely a bonus. All right, so I'm going to click on finish right there. And then up on the top right-hand side, I'm going to look for this little kind of purple and green icon. And if you mouse over it, you'll see that it says AVD Manager. So I'm going to click on that, and that's going to pop open the wizard that's going to allow us to create the actual Android emulator and then run it. I'll click on Create Virtual Device. We then get prompted to select the screen size that we want to use for our emulator. I'm going to use a Nexus 5X. Now I encourage you to do the same as well. If you don't see 5X on this list for any reason, you can just try to find any other device listed on here that's about 5 inches large. So then I'll click Next, and then we get prompted to select a system image. I'm going to use the latest image available, so API 28 right here. I'll click on Download, and all right, here, once again, yep, there's just so much downloading and installing, so we're going to go through the installation process here. I'll click on Next, and this one is in fact going to take a couple minutes, so we'll take another pause right here and let this thing run. So quick break, and I'll see you in just a minute.